Hey, 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 hey. Hey man, say man, it's your boy Tay Quick Steve going back with another video, man. If you ain't, man, ignore the ski mask, ignore the glasses, my nigga. I was doing something before I made this video, but if you made this to a video, welcome. If you're new to the channel, welcome again, you feel me? As you see in the title of today's video is how to get motion. You feel me? Motion in the ocean, cruising, smooth, and grooving. Do you hear me? I'm in a good ass mood today, my nigga. Now you might ask me why I'm in a good ass mood. A lot of good shit been going on in life, like nigga. I redesigned my room, like, hold on. So boom, we got the monitor and the PC. Not the PC, my Mac. We got the machine to make my clothes. We got the TV mounted on the wall. That shit like a 60-inch. And then the bed and shit the other way. Been redesigning my room. I got the mirror in the corner, you feel me? Then I done showed done exposed the backdrop. But yeah, we've been booming through. I hope y'all niggas been taking care of yourselves. Handling business, getting motion, getting money. Damn, my fucking music one. Getting money, getting motion. And if you're new to the channel, new to the series, if you ain't seen my other like money videos, like go ahead, check them out. Come to this one. You feel me? You be caught up. So boom. Now today's video, you probably a young nigga or young lady, a young beautiful young lady, trying to figure out like, damn, bruh. I'm trying to buy this, I'm trying to buy that, I'm trying to buy this, I need that, books for school, this, my mama need a fucking kidney or something, like whatever you need motion, you came to this video and this the video for you, my nigga. Now, first thing first, like, no bullshit, two things really. First thing first, I ain't here to sell nobody no fucking dream. Nothing I'm gonna tell you in this video, you is gonna be where you do it, you go to sleep and you wake up and you got $1 million in your bank account. So that if you ever think you gonna make $1 million by going to sleep, waking up and that shit there, say goodbye, my nigga. I wouldn't even say this not the video for you, cause you need to hear this. But money not for you if you think that shit just gonna, you feel me? If you ain't willing to work, you ain't willing to make money for real. Now boom, so that was first thing first, to get that out the way. Second thing is mindset. Mindset, you gotta be willing to, anything you wanna do in life, it ain't even got nothing to do with money. If it's motherfucking playing sports, motherfucking, you playing a video game, you playing, what do girls do? What do girls do for fun? Even if you binge watching a TV show, my nigga, anything you do take dedication, you gotta be dedicated, one. Anything you also gotta do, you gotta work hard at it. You wanna be good at football, you wanna be good at basketball, tennis, soccer, motherfucker, you wanna read fast, type fast in the motherfucker, edit good. Anything you wanna do, bro, you gotta work hard, you gotta be dedicated. Consistency and hard work. Now those three things, the hard work, the dedication, and getting the expectation that you gonna have $1 million overnight and not do a goddamn thing. Now you got them three things in your head. Let's get into the motion, my nigga. Let's get into the motion. Okay, so first thing first, I wanna say this. One, you need multiple streams of income. The best way to get rich fast is having multiple ways of making money. So whether it's you in high school, you could sell clothes, one. You could be a clothing designer in high school, yeah. You could be a YouTuber in high school, yeah. You could be one of them niggas who sell snacks. You smell Gatorades, candies, gummies. You bought a 16-pack or a 30-pack, pay $16.99 for that whole, get the 30-pack, boom, you just made $15 profit. You sell a box a day, that's $15 profit every day. You hustling. Now, I ain't never, ever in my life gonna come on YouTube and tell a nigga to pick up a pack, pick up a brick, pick up no type of illegal shit, scamming, none of that. I would never recommend that to nobody, cause your ass, look, one, you sell drugs. Say I sell drugs, bro, I made $15K in 3 months. Then I go to jail, I'm locked up for 9 months, nigga. I made the same amount of money as a nigga who worked at fucking McDonald's made. Less than that nigga who made it at McDonald's, cause nigga, I made 15 months for a whole year. And the rest of the time I spent, well, 3 months, but think about the whole year. But the rest of 9 months, you ain't making none because you sitting in jail. So that gangster shit, that shit lame, run down, all that shit, don't do none of that shit. Now, if that's where you started from and now you got money, invest in yourself. One, save money, stop buying bullshit. You don't need the new J's, you don't need, who you looking cute for, my nigga? Who you looking cute for? Your hoes? Would they fuck with you if you didn't have the J's? They would? Okay, so why you get the J's? Oh, they wouldn't? So why you fucking with hoes who wouldn't fuck with you if you didn't have the things you need, you had? So it's lose-lose. Like, my nigga, you don't got nobody on this earth to impress but your goddamn, we wanna make yourself feel good. Like, me having some money, some motion, that shit made Queez feel good. So yeah, cut out the distractions, cut out the bullshit. Stop going out and partying, going to the club all day, bro. Like, bro, the club, I promise you, bro, you could take 5 weeks off the club. That 6th week, the club still gonna be there, my nigga. Like, I promise you, the world gonna move. Even if it don't gotta be the club, bro. Like, this is just a reality. Like, shift your reality. So, the day you die, the entire world is going to keep moving. Nigga, it's gonna be a new issue, new something. It might matter to some people. But like overall in the world, like you a spick, like compared to like me, even me. Like if I won $100,000, who give a fuck? Who give a fuck across the country? Like, stop, like, you're not that important. So like, don't over it, like, fuck, I'm trying to say this right. Don't consider yourself more valuable to other things than you are to the things that you care about, you love, because that's what matters while you here. You only got, shit, it's like a shot clock, nigga, in basketball, nigga. If I got 24 seconds, nigga, I'm not planning no dribble, I'm not planning no fucking series, no fucking play that gonna take 25 seconds to run. Like, you feel me? Like, you got 24 seconds on the shot clock. You telling me you gonna run a play that takes 25 seconds to run? Hell no. Like, you feel me? So boom, take your time. We all in life, whether it's 80 years, 70 years, 40, some people got 18. You feel me? You just gonna wanna take your, whatever number you got on that shot clock, nigga, and you gonna do what you gotta do with it, you feel me? So those just like mental, like making money more mental than it is anything. Like, now when it comes to like how to exactly, like, all right, this is how I'm gonna make $1, this is how I'm gonna make $2, this is how, I'm gonna get into that now. So boom, one, I would say start a business. Like, I have a clothing brand. I wouldn't, if you don't want to put in effort, don't start a clothing brand because you won't be successful. But there's other things you could resell sneakers. There's always a market for sneakers. You not the one making the sneakers. You not the one, you just gotta buy and sell. Whether you saving your money in stocks, investments, cryptos, you feel me? Don't put all your money in it. Don't put like just put enough, whatever you will put in your savings account. I would say put it in crypto while it's down. Wait for the price of the crypto to go back up. Pull your money or hold your money. And then once the price go back down, you can either put your money back in, or when the price was up, you can pull your money and you can take your profit. So crypto, that's another way. I just gave y'all 2 ways: a business and crypto. Now when I say business, business is literally anything, my nigga. Like, if you're a girl selling lashes, selling nails, doing lashes, doing nails. If you're a nigga, barbers, being a barber, fucking selling what's the spray-on shit? You can make your own spray-ons and be distributing that shit, nigga. Like every job, there's a supplier. Bruh, this shit like the drug game, my nigga. You ever seen BFM, my nigga? Every job, there's a supplier. Whether you work at fucking ice cream shop, nigga, somebody selling the ice cream shop you work at some goddamn ice cream. Or they selling them utensils, materials, all that. Like, that's how the game go. You gotta find your fit in the business world, folks. Like, say you sell clothes. All right, so I'm gonna keep bringing up clothes. I sell clothes. So say you sell clothes, bro. There's a manufacturer. So you can either be a manufacturer where you make other people clothes for them, You can be distribution, where you just a big distribution center like Walmart or Amazon, where you just send other people shit out for them. You can be the graphic designer. You make the designs for the clothing brand. And then you be the business owner, where you run the business. You doing, that's like 4 different jobs, nigga, in one fucking category. So don't tell me you don't have no ideas and no ways to get no money, get no motion. Like, I don't want to hear that from nobody. Like, now if you just heard what I just said, like in that example, like you might be thinking like, damn, this nigga Tay Rice, look, he is like, anything I got a passion in, it is kind of a way to make money in it, huh? You play video games, nigga. If you play video games, bruh, and you ain't making no money from it, bruh, like, at least stream. You could stream, you could put up gameplays, you could play competitive for money. You can, like, bro, I'm telling, like, look, anything and everything, bro, I done said so far, there's like multiple different steps, like, at it. Like, even if you want to start a burger restaurant, my nigga. All right, there's a nigga in the kitchen cooking the burgers. That's a job. There's a nigga who running all the employees. That's a job. There's somebody who send the buns, the pickles, the lettuce, all that. They send them. They gotta deal with the restaurant to get the food put in the restaurant, and you feel me? That's a job right there. You feel me? Now, you could be the money manager of the food place. Have nothing to do with the food itself. That's a job right there. So anything you do, any hustle, any passion, I promise you, bruh, there's an avenue to make money from it. So, like, I'm not gonna come on here and be like, oh yeah, sell this product, that product, this. Niggas be bullshitting. That's why I said I'm not from the bullshit. Nobody, bruh, find your hobby, find what you like to do, and find a way to make money off of it. Now, if you're watching this video and you have an idea in your head, like, damn, I feel like I could do this, I could do that, I could do this, I could do that, comment below, or my Instagram is gonna be like right here. You can leave your just DM me, and bro, I'll chop it up with you, bro, and just be like, damn. You could be like, damn, Tay, I feel like I could do this as a business. What's some tips and tricks you got for me to feel like, for me to be able to turn this into a route to make money? Now, I'll DM you personally and tell you like whatever advice I got for you, cause I'm a real nigga. I'm giving advice to support this video, and in return, I would just simply ask you to follow me on the gram, like, comment, subscribe on the YouTube. But yeah, I'm 12 minutes in, I'm chilling, you feel me? This is a quick little video, tips and tricks, you feel me? I'm sorry, when I put the glasses on, I feel like a superstar, so I just stop talking, you feel me? But hey, if you made it to the point of the video, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. It's your boy Tay Queez, and I'm out.